Hello everybody. In this video we are going to discuss about the different type of grafts. There are a total of 4 types of grafts that are possible. Autografts, allografts, isografts and xenografts. Let's start with autografts. In autograft, a tissue is removed from one site and surgically implanted to another site on the same individual. Next, isograft. A tissue is removed from an individual and implanted to a genetically identical individual in isograft. Example of isograft is grafting between monozygotic twins. Next is allograft. In allograft, tissue is removed from an individual and it is implanted into a genetically different individual. Next is xenograft. In xenograft, a tissue is removed from an individual and implanted into another individual of a different species. Example of xenograft is taking a human tissue and implanting it into a pig. So these were the 4 types of grafts. I hope this video was helpful. That's all we have for today. Thank you.